There's a machine sitting in a gas station parking lot right now that made more money last month than the gas station itself. It doesn't sell anything, it doesn't have employees, it just sits there, and someone is getting rich off it. Today we're breaking down the economics of owning an ATM machine and why this might be one of the most misunderstood passive income businesses on the internet. Here's the pitch you've probably seen on YouTube or TikTok. Buy an ATM for $2,000, place it in a busy store, charge people $3 every time they withdraw cash, do nothing, collect money forever. And on paper, it actually kind of works like that. Every time someone taps withdraw on that machine, two things happen. They pay a surcharge fee, usually $2.50 to $4, and that fee splits between you, the store owner, and sometimes the processor. On top of that, you're not even using your own money most of the time. The bank fronts the cash, or you use a cash loading service, and you just earn on the transaction fee. Sounds like free money. So why doesn't everyone own 20 of these? Let's actually do the math, because the $2,000 number everyone quotes is the machine, not the business. A used ATM runs $2,000 to $3,000. A new one $3,000 to $8,000, depending on features like cash capacity and card readers. But then there's the part nobody mentions. You need cash to put in it. If your machine holds $10,000 and you want it stocked so it never runs dry during a busy weekend, that's $10,000 sitting inside a metal box, doing nothing but waiting to be withdrawn. Some owners use a cash vaulting service instead, where the bank fronts the money and you just pay a fee per transaction, which is safer but eats into your margin. Then add a SIM card or internet line for the machine to process transactions, maybe $20 to $40 a month. Insurance. And this is the one that surprises people, a placement fee or revenue share to whoever owns the location, because no store owner lets you park a cash machine on their property for free. So realistically, you're not starting this business for $2,000. You're starting it for $5,000 to $15,000 once cash and setup are included. Now here's where it gets interesting, because the income isn't steady, it's location dependent, and that's the entire business. Take a mid-traffic gas station. Say it gets 8 to 15 withdrawals a day. Add a $3 surcharge, and after the store owner takes their cut, usually a flat fee per transaction or a percentage, commonly 25 cents to $1 per withdrawal, you're netting maybe $2 to $2.50 per transaction. 10 withdrawals a day, $2.50 each. That's $25 a day. Call it $750 a month from one machine. Now put that same machine in a nightclub, a casino floor, or a music festival. Suddenly you're not looking at 10 withdrawals a day, you're looking at 10 an hour. Some high-traffic bar or club ATMs process 40, 50, even 100 withdrawals in a single busy weekend night because people don't carry cash anymore, but bars and dealers still want it. That single machine can pull in $1,500 to $3,000 a month. This is the part the passive income videos skip. An ATM in a sleepy strip mall and an ATM in a nightclub are not the same business. The location isn't a detail, it's basically the whole business model. So if a busy machine makes $2,000 to $3,000 a month, why isn't everyone quitting their job to buy 50 ATMs? Because the costs that eat this business aren't obvious until you're in it. First, cash replenishment. Someone has to physically drive to that machine and refill it, sometimes multiple times a week if it's busy. That's either your time or you're paying an armored cash service $50 to $150 per refill. Second, theft and vandalism. ATMs get robbed, not hacked, physically ripped out of the ground with a chain and a truck. Owners in high-crime areas lose entire machines, cash included, and insurance doesn't always cover the full replacement. Third, processor and network fees. Every transaction that runs through the card network takes a cut before you ever see your share. Fourth, and this is the sneaky one, cash flow risk. If your machine holds $10,000 and gets robbed on day 2, you didn't lose $10,000 in future profit. You lost $10,000 in real cash today. Run the numbers honestly, and that's set it and forget it. business starts to look a lot more like a small logistics operation with a security problem. So, is owning an ATM actually a good business? The honest answer, it's a good side business, not a good primary business. One or two machines in high traffic spots you can personally manage, a bar you have a relationship with, a busy convenience store, can genuinely produce a few $100s a month in close to passive income once it's set up. But the guys running actual ATM companies with 50 or 100 machines aren't getting rich off surcharge fees. They're running a route business, driving between locations, refilling cash, fixing jammed machines, negotiating placement deals with